Hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. This is a quick update on SEI. I will talk about on the lower time frames and on the higher time frames on SEI. So if you guys are new on this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, few days back, I shared this SEI long in my premium Discord, in my free Discord basically. And when we were trading right here, I shared this chart, and yesterday luckily we got triggered and it was a pin bottom and we went up and I closed this trade right here. It was a good leg up and we caught a very beautiful trade right here on SEI, right? And for simple reaction area, this would be your resistance zone until this we are forming this range, right? And this resistance zone from 24 and 30 cents all the way up to 25 cents is the resistance zone. So you guys can look for some resistance or scalp shorting right here within this area, or either you can look for some long area from 21.72 cents and 21 cents. This is the area where you can look for some for some long for some. This is a bounce, this is a bounce, this is a bounce, this is a bounce. Come on. Now this is a very simple range. Range it until it breaks out. Breakout, retest, look for a long right here, SL below, target higher. Very simple. Breakdown, bearish retest, look for lower. Very simple. This is how what your target should be on the lower and the higher time frames. This is how you should play. Very simple. Now let me and this is how we did it in the Discord, completely for free. And I will tell you again, guys, if you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. And if you guys want to join my premium subscriptions are given right here. You will send the subscription amount to the wallet given right here, and you guys will be added into the premium Discord once you send the subscription. Very, very simple. Now let's get to the higher time frames because things are very unluckily very disgusted, and I personally hate to look for this chart now. Personally, I definitely hate to look after this chart because it is one of my favorite coins, but unluckily it's messed up. It's really messed up. From this high, we are down of almost like 74%. I bought SEI right here. Look at this. I bought SEI right here. Do you see this? This was a very important support area. We flipped it. Bullish retest. And what should be the next? Retest high. This range high, right? But it tipped down, tipped down, tipped down. What the heck is this? It's in front of you guys. Very simple. Now a lot of guys are saying that SEI is forming, one of my members were saying this is SEI is forming a W pattern. I don't care about W pattern. I don't care about W pattern. The point is we need a trend shift. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Higher low. Market structure break. Higher high. And once we tap this, this would be our simple area to enter this and then ride it till this supply level. This should be our simple strategy. Once we see some sort of and on the higher time frames, if I can show you something, lower low, lower higher high, whatever, higher low, lower high, lower low, maybe lower high, lower low. On the next pump, I will exit this thing for the rest of my life. Just I don't want to say some bad words or whatever. Now, this is again on the lower time frames. If we assess the trend, right? If we assess a trend on the lower time frames, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Again, not a big thing right here. Some sort of market structure break, but we did not kept this low. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So there is nothing. Some sort of higher low is forming right here, but for this we need to break above 34. This break of structure, bullish retest, and this would be your zone to enter, 37 cents, and then ride it till next supply.